Namaste everyone. Now let's study about Charaka Chikitsa Sthanam, 4th chapter Raktapitta Chikitsa. The Nidanas include Ushna, Tikshna, Amla, Kadu, Lavana and Vidaha Aharas. The Samprapti of Raktapitta is due to these all Nidanas, the Pitta gets aggravated and it vitiates Rakta. Due to the high heat of Pitta, the Dhatus including Rakta gets liquefied and causes Raktapitta. The definition of Raktapita is Samyogat Ushna Tattu Samanya Gandhavarnayo Raktasya Pitta Makyadam Raktapittam Manishibihi. Pitta is called Raktapitta because it is a combination of Rakta. It is vitiation of Rakta and it has similarity with Rakta like in Gandha and Varna. The Pitta Sthana is Yakrit and Pliha. Raktapitta Lakshana include if Raktapitta is associated with Kapha dosha, it causes Pandutva, Sandrata, Sasneha, Pichilattum in Rakta. If it is associated with Vata, it causes Shava, Aruna, Safena, Tanuruksha Raktam. If it is associated with Pitta, it is Kashayabam, Krishna in color, Gomutra Sannibam, Mejaka Agara Dhumabam, and Anjanabam. The Satya Satita of Raktapitta is if Ekadoshaja it is Satya, Didoshaja is Yapya, Tridoshaja is Asadya, and the Asadya Lakshanas are if Raktapitta is associated with Mandakni, Adiveka, Kshina Deha by Vyati and in Vritta, and also in a Anashnada person, the Raktapitta is Asadya. Based on the Gati, the prognosis is Urdhva is Sadhya Gata Roga, Atha is Yapya Roga, and Tijya Gati is Asadhya Roga. Sadhya Raktapitta features are if it is Eka Margam and in a Balavat patient, slow manifestation, and if it is newly manifested in Sukha Kala without any complications, it is Sadhya Raktapitta. Specific Nitanas include all factors which are Snigdha, Ushna and Ruksha are Nitanas of Raktapitta, and if it is Urdhvaga Raktapitta is associated with Kapha Samsrishtam, Adhoga Raktapitta is with Vada Samsrishtam and Ubhaya Raktapitta with Kapha Vada Samsrishtam. These are the specific Nitanas. Next is about the Chikitsa Sutra of Raktapitta. Akshina Balamamsasya Raktapittam Yadashnadaha Tadopat Taddoshadustamutklishtam Nado Stampanam. That is, if Raktapitta occurs due to Sandarpana and the patient is strong, no need to do the Stampana of Rakta. If we do Stambana in this case, it causes complications like Kalagraha, Pudinasa, Jwara, Gulma, Kushta, Visarpa, etc. Diet and drinks includes in Raktapitta. If the patient have Pipasa, if the Raktapitta patient have Pipasa, give Srita Shida prepared with Hribera, Chandana, Ushira, Musta and Parpadagam. In Urdhvaga Raktapitta, we can give Tarpana and in Adhoga we can give Peya. In Urdhvaga Raktapitta, Tarpana is prepared with Laja Churna, Gritha and Madhu. Next is about the importance of Lenkana in Raktapitta. If the Raktapitta is associated with Amadosha, we can give Lenkana. Bhojana mentioned in Raktapitta is Shali, Shashtiga, Koradusha, Shyamaga and Priyangu. Supa and Yusha given in Raktapitta patient is Mudka, Masura, Chanaka. The Mamsarasas included in Raktapitta diet is Paravata, Kabodha, Lava, Vartaga, Shasha, Ena, Harina. If the Raktapitta is associated with Kaba, Shaga is mainly used in Bhojana, and if Raktapitta is associated with Vada, Mamsarasa is more used. Next is about the Yavagu Prayoga in Raktapitta. In text, there are many combinations of drugs in Yavagu preparation, but I have mentioned only 3 here, which are one combination is with Chandana, Ushira, Lodra and Akara. Next is with Masura, Masura and Prishniparni. Next is with Rasa of Phala and Grida. These are the 3 combinations for Yavagu preparation. Diets in different conditions of Raktapitta are if Raktapitta is associated with Vibandha or constipation, here Shasha Mamsa plus Vastuga, it's a drug, is used And if in Rekta Pitta, if Vata is predominant, Tittiri Mamsa boiled in Udumbara Rasa is using. And if Rekta Pitta is associated with Trishna or thirst, Sridha Shida is preparing with Vitari Ganda and given to the patient. And also Phala Udaga, that is fruit juices are given for the patient. Shodhanas mentioned in Rektapitta are in Urdhva Rektapitta, Virejana is giving, and in Adogha, Vamana is giving. For Virejana, we are using drugs like Tribrit, Abhaya, Aragvata Phala, Amlaka with Madhu, and Sharkara. And after Virejana, we are giving some Yavagu for Samsarjana Krama. In case of Vamana, we are giving Manda prepared with Matana Phala, Kshaudra and Sharkara, or Phala of Vatsaka, Musta, Mathana and Madhuka are giving. Tarpana is given as Samsarjana Krama. Next is some Shamana Shamana Kashayas mentioned here, Kashayas and Lehyas. That is Kashaya prepared out of Adarusha, Mridvika, Patya, Madhu, Sharkara, cures Shwasa, Kasa, Rektapitta. Lehya prepared with Ashwashakrit Rasa mixed with Madhu and Krita is given for Rektapitta patient and it acts as Shamana. Lehya prepared with Churna of Khadira, Priyangu, Kovidara, Shalmali Pushpa, Madhu also using. Astraka of Mrika and Pakshi from Tanvaja area take as Lehya with Madhu. And next, drink water soaked in Vaidhurya, Mukta, Mani, Mrit, Hema, etc. mixed with Madhu and Ekshurasa is also using. If Rektapitta is not cured after administration of these all Kashayas and all, understand that here Vayu is mainly aggravated. So, to cure this, we can use Chagapaya, Panchaguna Jalasrada Kavyapaya with Sharkara and Madhu. Kavyapaya boiled with Jivaka, Rishapaka, Ghrita, Sharkara, etc. Next is Mutramarga Rektapitta Chikitsa. Here, Kshira boiled with Shadavari, Kokshira, or with Shalaparni, Prishniparni and Mudgaparni are used in Mutramarga Rektapitta. In Gudamarga Rektapitta, Mojarasa Siddha Paya is using, or Paya with Hripera, Nilotpala, Naghara is using. Next is yoga is mentioned here, that is Vasagrita. Let's check how Vasagrita is preparing. Here, first we prepare the Kashaya of Vasa with its Shaka, Moola and Pushpa. And Kalka here adding is also same as Vasa, that is mixed with Ghrita, and boil this both. Add honey to this. It's a small preparation. Only Vasas, Shaka, Moola, Pushpa is using here. Another Krita preparations which used in Rektapitta mentioned here is same like preparation is same like Vasa Krita, that is with Samanka, Utpala, Lodra, and the other combination is with Udumpara and Padola. Next is the other treatments include in Rektapitta are Abhyanga, Parishega, Seka, Avagaha, Vasti. Another one yoga mentioned in this chapter is about Shadavari Krita, Shadavityadi Krita. That is, boil the Krita with Kalka of Shadavari, Kakoli, Thadima, Meda, Mahameda, Thindirika, Madhuka, Phala of Pijapuraka, and Chadurguna Kshiram. That is 4 times milk is taken to this. Like this Grida is preparing, and the indications includes Kasa, Anaha, Chwara, Vibanta, Shula and Rektapitta. Next is about Nasagada Rektapitta Chikitsa. Here Avapedaka Nasya, that is inhalation therapy is using. That is Avapedaka Nasya is giving with using the drugs like Ushira, Kaliyaga, Lodra, Patmagha, Ghairika and Chandana. Praleba yogas mentioned here in Rektapitta using the drugs like Chandana, Kamala, Utpala, Ushira, Udumpara, Ashwata, etc. That is cooling drugs. By checking the other all yogas also, we can see that mainly the cooling drugs or Shidavira drugs are using here, because Rektapitta is mainly Rekta and Pitta is the vitiated no. So they are in Ushna condition. So we are using Shidavira drugs to cure it. So let's think in that way, okay? And if Daha is present in Rektabita patient, the patient should live in Dhara Griha or Bhumi Griha. Dhara Griha or Bhumi Griha is where more cooling we are getting. And touch the things like Kalka of Priyanku. Sees the Chandrodaya and Himavad Varida is water from Himalaya. These all are cooling, give us cooling effect. Okay, thus here ends the chapter 4 Rekta Pitta Chikitsa. Thank you.